Before we continue with the relational operators, I want to go over the assignment operator. So we've been using the assignment operator since the beginning of the video series. There's a couple things I want to go over with it. So I don't think I was entirely clear on it before, but in a couple videos I'll have a better example. But this is not algebra. Okay, so looking at a Boolean statement, it might seem confusing. X is equal to 3 less than 5. That may not make any sense because you're looking at this and looking at this, maybe visualizing it as an algebra class. And it's not. So let's take a look at it. So we have the assignment operator. The first thing this assignment operator is going to do is going to look at the right-hand side. The right-hand side of it, it's going to simplify the entire expression. In this case, it's going to simplify it into either a true or a false, because this is a Boolean value. Once it does that, in this case, it evaluates true, and it stores it in the value x. Let me go over a better example. Int y is equal to 7 plus 8. Alright, so we have a variable y. 7 plus 8 is simplified to 15 first, then it's stored into y. That's how it works. So there's a reason I'm going over this in this video right now. We're going to come back to the assignment operator after we cover relational operators. But I think this may be confusing in the next couple videos as we go over relational operators, and we need to distinguish the difference between the assignment operator. So this is just a pre-prep for the relational operators. Just another example with the assignment operator. Let's say we have 15 is equal to y. And this cannot work because the left-hand side of the assignment operator has different properties than the right-hand side. Let's say we have integer y, then we still say 15 is equal to y. It's still going to have a problem. It's trying to store this value into 15, which doesn't make any sense to the Java programming language. Now if we have y equals 15, that will work, because 15 simplified is 15 and assigned to the value y. Alright, so just keep this in mind for the next video or two as we cover relational operators. And now, in the next video, we're going to pick up from where we left off in the previous video. Thank you for watching.